monument in Atyrau. Makhambet Utemesuli, 8 years later, after the death of Isatai in October 20, 1846, as a result of fraudulent and treacherous actions of former friends and associates, Makhambet was brutally killed by the hand of a man named Okolas. It happened in the local Karaoy. Later, there was built here this memorial sign. Until the 70s, the place of burial Makhambet did not have reliable information. The secret was passed from generation to generation in the small village of Kotelny, Almaly. Before dying, Kurakbek Turganov eventually reported the burial site. Currently, in the Atyrau region, Makhambet named district, village, street. At the site of the death of the poet, in the 40 kilometers from the village Inder of Atyrau region, built mausoleum. 2 great batyrs stand in Atyrau, symbolizing the patriotism of the defenders of our country. They stand proudly at attention as sons who inspire their countrymen. In the center of Atyrau city, on the bank of the Jaik, there is a monument in honor of 2 legendary batyrs. Their eyes directed forward, their proud posture as it represents the expression in the reality of their dream of a free country. The monumental complex in honor of Makhambet and Isatai also saw the project painters and sculptors B. Aytaliyev, A. Bekeshev, E. Sergebayev, and S. Bukibay. On the 200th anniversary of the birth of Makhambet, the Makhambet Isatai monument was officially opened by President Nursultan Nazarbayev in 2003.